Hello, welcome back to the Code Cloud. My name is Ravi. This is our first video on Python scripting for DevOps professionals. Today we'll talk about some key features and scope of Python. As you know, Python is a high-level, interpreted, and general-purpose programming language that has become one of the most popular and widely used programming languages in the world. It is developed by Guido van Rossum and it was first released in 1991. Python emphasizes code readability with its notable use of significant whitespace. Python is functional and object-oriented that helps programmers to write clear and logical code for small and large-scale projects. Let's have a look on some key features of Python. Python's syntax is very simple. Its code look like the English language, which makes it an ideal language for beginners in programming. Python is high-level language, which means it is human readable. Python allows developers to focus on what to do rather than how to do it. It manages complex operations and memory management under the hood. Python code is executed line by line, which makes debugging easier but can result in slower execution time compared to compiled languages. Python comes with a vast standard libraries that includes modules and functions for various tasks, such as file I/O, system calls, and even internet protocols like HTTP and FTP. Python is available and runs on various operating systems, including Windows, Linux, and macOS. Operating system, which makes Python programs are portable. Python is open source, which means anyone can contribute to Python's development. Its community is very active, providing an extensive ecosystem of libraries, frameworks, and tools that extend Python's capabilities. Python does not require the explicit declaration of the variable types. The variable types are inferred during runtime, which adds to the flexibility but requires careful testing to avoid runtime errors. Let's have a look on scope of Python, and let me tell you there are a lot of areas in IT industry where Python is being used, and that's the reason Python is very popular. With frameworks such as Django and Flask, Python is a popular choice for building web applications. Libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn have made Python the go-to language for data analysis, scientific computing, and machine learning tasks. Python is widely used for writing scripts to automate manual tasks and increase productivity. Python is used in backend development, software development, and user interface creation. As you know, Python has a very simple syntax. That's why oftenly Python is the first programming language taught in computer science courses. With libraries such as SciPy and NumPy, Python supports complex mathematical operations and data visualization. Python revolves around the concept of readability and simplicity, which makes it an ideal language for beginners and experts. It is a versatile programming language from web development to data science. Why Python is so popular? The first point is it is very easy to learn because it has very simple syntaxes. There are a wide variety of predefined and third-party modules available. That's the reason the Python program length is very short. There are a lot of modules available that you can just import that module and use in your program. Python is platform independent. Python program can run on any kind of operating system. Python supports both functional and OOPS concepts. The functional programming oftenly used in scripting and OOPS used in web and software development.